Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change the vibration pattern for your ringtones and alerts on the iPhone 13 Pro. You may want to change your vibration patterns if your phone is on silent, but you still want to know the exact kind of notification that you're getting while your phone is in your pocket. First, we're going to go to the Settings app, and then we're going to go down to Sounds and Haptics, and then let's change the vibration for the ringtone. If you go up to the top, you can find vibration. And the first option is synchronized. This will synchronize to the current ringtone that you have selected. That will have a vibration that is synchronized with the ringtone that I'm currently using. But there are also several other selections you can make, and you can create your own vibration down here at the bottom. So let's click on that, and let's create our own by tapping on the screen. And then you can play it back. And you can save it. And that is how to change the vibration pattern for ringtones and alerts on the iPhone 13 Pro.